Hi friends, today we are going to check out top 10 latest Turkish series released in 2021. Most of these series have fresh storyline and impressive screenplay. Moreover, you can watch them all in YouTube itself with English subtitles. Before we begin, welcome to Montage Romantic and please subscribe for more upcoming videos. Call My Agent is the story of talent agency Ego and its four managers who try their best to manage and defend their business vision in a highly competitive media industry. The series is based on the French TV series Dexporcent. Dijle is an ambitious young girl from suburbs who wants to prove her talent in the city life. She starts working at the Ego agency as Ferris' assistant. Barish is also one of the actors that Ferris has been managing. He is a new talent. Despite of their work ethics and agreements, Dijlay and Barish can't help themselves falling for each other. This series is funny and also tells the realities about public relations and media companies. Jalal is an ex-special forces soldier who runs a bookstore. His life changed drastically on the day his daughter was accidentally shot on a gunfire. Mahur is a photographer and also the daughter of Aziz, who is the owner of a major airlines. One day, Jalal meets Mahur in his bookstore, and on that same day, she unexpectedly gets involved as a witness to a murder done by Savash. When she was on the run to protect her life, Jalal saves her. Her father requests Jalal to be the bodyguard of her daughter to protect from Savash. Even though he is reluctant at first, Shalal accepts the offer after understanding the seriousness of the threat on Mahu's life. This series is a psychological action thriller with a non-linear narrative and a brilliant screenplay. Salim is an idealistic public prosecutor who sent Selçuk Deşkin to prison. Selçuk was the leader of a criminal organization. He promises to testify in the prosecutor's case in his favor under one condition. In return, he asks the prosecutor to protect his son Aggun from his enemies. Being grown up from the criminal background, Aggun is a problematic and emotional young man who resists his father's order to go with Salim. On the other hand, Salim is also dealing with the turbulence in his marriage. His wife Jana, who lives with her children in Izmir, wants to divorce. Salim takes Aggun to his home, which disrupts the balance of not only his family but also for the neighbors. As this is not enough, Aggun falls in love with Salim's daughter Yagmur, which makes him rethink his life choices. Flames of Fire is a story of three different women. Shemre is a married woman who is a victim of both psychological and physical abuse from her husband. She plans to take her young daughter away and start a new life. Ruya is from wealthy lifestyle who never had a chance to face the reality of the outside world. And Shishak wants to get married and have a happy family. Their lives intersect and changes altogether after a fire accident. While recovering from the incident, they encounter the hard realities of life and also love. Even though this series starts with a tragedy, it gets better with every episode because of its interesting narrative. The story of Teskilat revolves around seven heroes working for Turkish national intelligence on a secret mission. After a terrorist attack, the Turkish government assigns an allied team to eliminate the enemies who are responsible for the attack. There is one condition to be a part of the team. The members will be officially considered dead, and no one, including their loved ones, will know that they are alive. This series is about their emotional struggles and sacrifices to protect their country. Ali Reza is a brave taxi driver who is preparing for his sister's marriage. Halide is a doctor and daughter of a famous businessman. One day, Halide attends the birthday party of her father's mafia friend. During the party, Burak, the son of the family, proposes to Halide, but she refuses. At the end of the discussion with Burak, she leaves the party and gets into a taxi, which happens to be Ali's. But when Burak forces her to get out of the taxi, Ali intervenes and a fight breaks out. Burak takes the first shameful slap of his life from Ali. To take revenge on Ali, he raids his sister's wedding. But things get out of control and Burak aims to kill Ali, but in a misfire, his sister gets shot. To take revenge on Burak, Ali himself joins the mafia. This is a historical series based on 1963 Cyprus crisis between Greeks and Turks who lived side by side in the island of Cyprus. The story revolves around Kemal Dereli, who was successfully running his family business in Cyprus. When they were attacked during the riots, the family members were separated from each other and were driven out of their towns. They began a forced migration, and Kemal Derli, the head of the family, became the leader of thousands of Turks on the migration route with his own family. He was supported by an undercover agent from Ankara who was sent on a secret mission from Turkey who changes the course of events. Bahar is a married woman and a mother of two. However, one day her simple and ordinary life changes when her 19-year-old daughter falls in love with the wrong guy. Her daughter, Ela's first love, is not a college student of her age, but her father's 35-year-old boss. He, by the way, is about to marry his ex girlfriend. So Bahar tries to save her daughter from his wrong relationship, but on Ela's 19th birthday, things take a terrific turn which changes everything. This is a psychological thriller with an intriguing screenplay. Ugur, a firefighter dedicated to saving people, was unable to pull his wife out of the flames on the dark night. After this tragedy, he also lost his custody of only daughter Hayatim to his brother in law Jim. Ugur fights relentlessly both to find the perpetrators of the fire in which he lost his wife, to bring them to justice, and to take back the custody of his daughter Hayatim. This series captures the experiences of heroic firefighters with action packed scenes and emotional drama. Kardeshlerim is a story of four siblings Kadir, Omer, Aziye, and Emel, who hold on to each other as a family even after the death of their parents. Atif Atakul is a rich and cunning man who is responsible for the misfortunes of Kadir's family. Without knowing Atif is responsible for their loss, the siblings join the college owned by him, and this turns their life upside down. But Kadir will never give up on his siblings and do whatever he can to protect them and to keep them together. That's all for today, and thank you for watching. If any of these series you are currently watching, please let us know in the comments, and also like, share and subscribe.